Hello, good morning, all the students. How are you? Fine? That's good. So, please, today we are going to start another activity. So, please, I would like you to have your books ready. We are going to start. But before that, I would like to send my greetings and hugs to your moms. Tomorrow is Mom's Day. So, please send my greetings to your moms. Okay, now we are going to start with our activity. So let's go on page 28, please, and vocabulary part, and you can see many things. We have directions, right? Yes, look at the picture, please. What do we have here in this picture? We have a park. What else do we have? A bank. Yes. Yes, look at your book, please, on page 28. The image that we see on screen is only for reference, okay? But you have a clearer option in your own book. What else do we have here? We have a school. Yes, my favorite part. What else can we see? A bank, yes. Okay, that's good. Coffee shop. Well, as well, we have to recognize the streets. We have Green Street, Willow Avenue. Ese ave significa avenue. Esa ST significa street. Esas son las abreviaciones para calle y avenida. We have Pine Street. Maple Street, yes, very good. Purple Street, Oak Street, etc. We can recognize names, vocabulary. Then we are going to listen. Look at the instruction number 1. Listen and number the places on the map. Listen, yes, here. Listen and number the places on the map. We are going to listen. I have to complete numbers here in the squares, white squares. Tenemos que colocar números en los cuadraditos blancos. Listen, please.
Shop. Its name is Awesome Coffee Shop. 4. The biggest drugstore is on Willow Avenue. You can buy medicine there night and day.
5.
My mom works at a bank. It's called Chrono Bank.
6.
My favorite place in town. My school. I love studying.
7.
There's a convenience store on Black Street. It's like a small supermarket.
8.
We have a mall in our city, too. The mall is my friend's favorite place.
Unit 2. Track 5.
Hi, and welcome to Chronopolis. My name's Emma, and I'm going to show you some places in the city.
Okay, so please, we are going to listen again, and we have to complete the numbers, okay? Listen again, and we are going to complete the numbers.
1.
There is a nice little park on Green Street. I like to sit in the park.
2.
There is a supermarket downtown. You can buy a lot of things at the supermarket.
3.
I have a favorite coffee shop. Its name is Awesome Coffee Shop.
4.
The biggest drugstore is on Willow Avenue. You can buy medicine there night and day.
5.
My mom works at a bank. It's called Chrono Bank.
6.
My favorite place in town. My school. I love studying.
7.
There's a convenience store on Black Street. It's like a small supermarket.
8.
We have a mall in our city, too. The mall is my friend's favorite place.
Okay, then let's go on number 2. After we have your answers, you have to go on instruction number 2. Read and mark the correct places. Read and mark the correct places. This is not necessary listening. Read and mark the correct places. 1. You need to buy this icon. A bandage, I think, right? A bandage. Es un vendaje, ¿no? You need to buy in a drugstore or school. Number 2, you have the icon. You need is money, right? Money. You need money. Where do we go? To the supermarket? Bank. Complete, please. Number 3, 4, and 5. Next, what do we have? Before that, we have guess what, the section guess what. In some things, in some places, we use the word bike instead of bicycle. Bicycle instead of bike. Then also as well, we have plane and airplane, which is the same. Be careful with these synonyms. What do we have next? In number 3, it says classify the forms of transportation in the chart. Classify the forms of transportation in the chart. Clasifica las formas de transporte en el recuadro. This is in the Spanish. Okay, public. We have public, and we have to see the picture. We have in yellow color. Yes. For example, I have here bus. No es bus, es bus. Okay, bus. Public. Right here in public. Bus. Private. Private. We have to look up private transportation. And we have here, yes, private. A car. And you have to complete. 4. Number 4, think fast. Count all the bikes, buses, and motorcycles on the map. Count all the bikes, buses, and motorcycles on the map. Count and answer in the same book. En el mismo libro coloquen. How many buses do we have? 3, 4. How many motorcycles on the map? Answer in this space. Then we have number 5. Listen and circle the correct option. We have to listen and then we have to circle the correct option. First step, please read. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. What do we have in number 1? Alisa is riding a bike. Alicia is riding a motorcycle to go to school. Number 2, Ben is getting on a bus. Ben is getting on a train. 3, Kathy is traveling on a bus, on a plane. Dan is going to school by subway. Dan is going to school by car. You have to listen and you have to circle the option, okay? So let's listen.
Track 6. 1. Alyssa.
Watch out!
2. Ben.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 is the 12:15 train to Chronopolis.
3. Kathy.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Time Airways Flight 998 with service from Chronopolis to London. We ask you to please keep your seatbelt fastened and keep all luggage underneath your seat.
Four. Dan.
Mom, I'm late for school.
Don't worry, honey. We'll make it on time.
Okay. You're going to listen again. If it's necessary, you have to play on YouTube. Okay. So with this activity, with this exercise, we finish this class. I will send you the same exercise on santillana.com. I'm going to send another activity for you. Okay. So goodbye, students.